Do you ever feel lost when listening to a native English speaker and they talk too fast? Maybe the words that they're using, it seems like they're stuck together and you just couldn't catch the meaning. Don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common problem. Today, I'm going to explain why English sounds like it's spoken too fast. And I'll give you practical techniques that will help you understand native English speakers. And stick around until the end because that's when I'll share a daily routine that you can use that will definitely quickly help you with your listening skills. Let's do it. Okay, the first thing you need to understand, native speakers don't say every word slowly. Words link together. Sentences overlap, and sounds are often skipped. It's very different from the clear pronunciation that you'll find in textbooks. Here are some examples. Connected words. What are you doing becomes what you doing. Shortened phrases. I'm going to becomes I'm gonna. Stress matters. Some words are emphasized, others completely disappear. What's the result? English sounds much faster than it really is. To overcome this and to understand fast English, you need to focus on 4 concepts. Number 1, rhythm and stress. English works like music. Some words get the beat and others are more soft. An example, I want to go to the store becomes I want to go to the store. When you only listen to stressed words, you'll still get the meaning. Number 2, connected speech. Words run together when natives speak. For example, do you want to eat becomes do you want to eat? Or another example, what are you doing becomes what you doing. They run together. Number 3, reduced forms. Native speakers often cut sounds or shorten words. For example, I'm going to, I'm gonna. Want to, wanna. Got to. By the way, got to is not said. You don't say the T twice. Got to. It's got to. Or in this example, reduced forms got to equals gotta. I gotta do that. And it's not even pronounced with a T, it's more like a D. Gotta. I gotta go to work. Even you catch it? I gotta go to. Go to. I got to go to work. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work. If you expect perfect textbook English, then you're gonna miss it. Okay? Even what I just said, you'll miss it. You're going to miss it. You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. I talk like this all the time, but I'm not even aware of it. And number 4, chunking. Don't listen for every single word. Group words into meaningful units. Okay, I'm deliberately speaking slowly so you understand this. If I were to say that again, normal native English, it would sound more like, don't listen for every single word. Group words into meaningful units. Don't listen for every single word. Group words into meaningful units. Another example, instead of hearing, I don't know what you mean, it's going to sound, I don't know what you mean. 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 Your brain processes faster if you recognize phrases instead of individual words. Very important. Okay, let's talk about some effective exercises. So these are some exercises that will show you how to train your ears and brain. 4 things. Number 1, listening and repeating. Very important. Don't just hear every word. Listen for phrases, tone, and emotion. Practice shadowing. Shadowing is when you repeat a word or phrase or sentence right after hearing a speaker. Which is, the best way to do this is to watch a movie or TV show or something, which leads me to number 2, the daily exercises. You want to listen to one short clip and focus on that sentence. Repeat it out loud many times. Imagine saying it yourself to your friends or your family, or even just go into the bathroom and look at yourself in the mirror and say it again and again until it sounds correct. Number 3, dictation training. You want to listen and write exactly what you hear. Replay some short clips, try to catch some missing words. For example, I've got to do it. I gotta do it. What's the missing word? Got to do it, gotta do it. The missing word is to. Got to, gotta. All right? This is great for improving memory and great for understanding and recognizing the little details. And then number 4, practice your pronunciation. Copy the connected speech, practice the reductions like I spoke about, gonna, wanna, gotta, and then record yourself. Record yourself and compare it with the native speaker on the movie or the TV show. You want to sound exactly like them. And again, you can watch movies, TV shows, YouTube videos. You could use podcasts that have transcripts, subtitles. And you want to start with the subtitles, but the goal is to have no subtitles. You want to be able to recognize what they're saying without subtitles, but start with subtitles, and then as you get better, you can remove them. Also, pay attention to the accents. American English, British English, Australian English. They're different. Practice with songs. Listen without lyrics, then try to sing along, and that will teach you the rhythm, intonation, the everyday language. Okay, now when doing this, it's important to understand that progress takes time, but you have to be consistent. Set small goals. Make English part of your daily life. Don't give up when it feels difficult. When it feels difficult, that's the greatest learning curve. When it's hard and you overcome it, you learn a lot. So you want difficult because that's where the most learning occurs. And then after a while, you'll begin to notice that your listening becomes better with conversations. You speak more naturally when speaking English, and you're going to build confidence when you're talking to native speakers, so don't quit. Okay, now time for your daily routine. This will skyrocket your listening and comprehension skills. Pick a short clip, movie, podcast, YouTube. Listen to it just once without subtitles, and then try to write down what you think they said. Then, after writing it down, repeat it. You're going to shadow them, repeat it. For example, if a movie says, "What are you up to?" It may come out, "What you up to?" What you up to? So your job is to figure out, what did he say? Repeat it, write it down, what you think he said. And then after you write it down, go ahead and post a subtitle and check. Now, look for sentences that have the reduced forms. For example, "Did you eat yet?" It'll say that on the subtitle, but it comes out of his mouth, "Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet?" And it's your job to figure out what he said and then double check to see if that's what he actually meant. And if you do this every day, it's not difficult to do. It's short, it's easy. I promise you, do this every day. Your brain will start to hear natural English. And it's really as simple as that. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and write them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.